I mean, what did I just do? There we go. I confused myself because now I'm looking at a different screen. Okay, bring in the participants. Everybody ready for this? Okay, here we go.
Yes.
Did I do it?
Possible.
I did not do it.
This is not okay. Hi.
Be with you in just a second. Thank you. Edmund Karam, would you please unmute yourself and turn on your video? Okay, sir, are you an attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, your audio is not good.
Can you hear me?
Okay, yeah, are you an attorney, sir?
Yes.
Okay, because I thought I recognized the last name Karam. Can you
Oh,
just,
my father, maybe. There's a couple of us.
no, just a few, right? Okay, will you rename yourself and add attorney at the end of your name?
Oh, sure.
Because we have a sea of videos, and I like to call the attorneys during the docket. I don't want to miss anybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Robert Main, I see you're with St. Mary's Clinic, right?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm here with Ms. Burnham.
Okay, all right. So then I will put that name with Ms. Burnham's name, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Well, everyone, welcome to County Court 9. We're going to call the docket for today, Thursday, March the 17th. And I'm just going to make a few announcements. We're changing our docket a little bit. We are doing our pleas now at 1:30 Monday through Thursday. And so if you haven't gotten your plea paperwork finished, I'm going to just reset your case if I reset it for 30 days, more or less. But you are welcome, once you have your plea paperwork finished, to reach out to Aleda and let her know you'll be showing up at that 1:30 docket any day, Monday through Thursday, at your convenience, okay? So we like to get those done and efficiently and expeditiously. Everyone's time is valuable. So we're going to try to make it so that it works nice and efficiently. The other thing is I'm going to be calling the docket in the order in which the attorneys have appeared on our screen. So I'm going to ask you once, if you're going to confer with the state and you are done, when you come back, will you please use the hand icon to let me know that you're ready to make your announcement, and I'll give you your reset date. That will be nice. Well, Mr. Delgado, I haven't called the docket yet. So unless you're an attorney, I'm going to ask you to stop your hand icon for now. Okay, so, all right. And I want to use that hand icon just for people who have already conferred and ready to make their announcements. Okay, just is like a little flag for me, so I don't make you wait till the end of the docket to move on to your next court. All right, so I'm going to start with Lina Carrillo. Oh, before I do that, I do like to have the Deputy Butler make his announcements. He's always very good at that, and I'd like to take a couple of minutes. So Deputy Butler, will you do that, please?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everybody. County Court 9 is now in session. The Honorable Judge Gloria Saldaña presiding. May I remind everybody that this is an official court proceeding, not a Zoom meeting. Conduct yourself as if you were in the courtroom. If you're in a vehicle, make sure you're pulled over, whether you're driving or not. All counselors, lost my train of thought there. Please have your case number and page number ready when the judge calls you for your announcements. That will help this proceeding move along expeditiously. And please stay muted unless the judge calls on you to make announcements. Thank you.
Thank you, Deputy Butler. Okay, at this point in time, I'm going to call Lina Carriedo.
Good morning, Judge.
Morning.
I'm here on the Anthony Walker. Case number is 645909. He's the first entry on page 3.
Okay, and is he here?
I believe he is. I sent him the Zoom link before.
Anthony Walker, are you here, sir? Would you please say something so I can mark you present? Okay. So, Ms. Carriedo, will you, what do you want to do with this case today?
I would like to confer with Corina Sanchez, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to ask you while you're in the breakout room, before you get to talk to the ADA, will you call Mr. Walker and ask him to show up? I'd like to see him so I can mark him present, okay?
Okay, I'll do that, Your Honor.
Thank
Miss
you very much. You should, yes.
And Miss Carriendo, I can't say the name correctly. I'm sorry.
Carriedo.
Miss Sanchez isn't here right this second, so you and I can confer if you want, or you can wait maybe 30 minutes or so, and then Miss Sanchez will be there. It's up to you.
I can talk to you.
Okay, then I'll meet in your breakout room. Sorry, Your
Okay.
Honor.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. The next one is Ann Burnham. Good morning.
Yes, I'm Robert Main. I'm with Ms. Burnham from St. Mary's Clinic here on behalf of Stephen Martinez.
Stephen Martinez, and do you have a cause number, please?
Yes, it's page 6, cause number 678912.
78912. Okay, and is he present?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, mark him present. Okay, and what would you like to do, Mr. Main, on this?
Ultimately, we request a reset. Would like to confer with the state first.
All right, I'll mark you conferring. You will be getting a breakout room any moment. And if you'll just follow that prompt, you'll find yourself in a room with the ADA. Thank you.
Your Honor.
All right, Cole Nettles. I know he's here. Well, he popped away. Okay, I'll come back to Mr. Nettles. Amanda Strickland.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
I'm here. Good morning. How are you?
It's good to see you. It's been a long time.
Good to see you. I have Lorraine Borrego,
Okay.
and she is cause number 641036 on page 2, and she is present.
All right. Thank you. And what would you
Yes.
like to do on this?
I had previously conferred with Mr. King, and I think that should resolve it if I am able to confer with him again.
Okay. And so you do want to confer with him now?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
I'll mark you conferring. Thank you.
Thank you.
Scott McCrum.
Good morning, Judge.
Morning.
I have Carlos Gonzalez on page 1, 582875. Mr. Gonzalez is deceased and
So there's no case anymore, right?
there's no case anymore, Judge.
Okay.
I've got a certificate of death that I could forward to anyone if that's what y'all would need.
Yes, sir. Would you send that to Mr. King or Ms. Sanchez, either one?
Yes, I will take care of that today, Judge.
Thank you very much. You
Thank
have
you.
a good day, sir.
You as well.
Rahim Amori.
Judge, good morning. It's on page 3. My case number is 652811. Chris Alderete. He is currently in custody, Judge. He has a burglary of habit pending a felony. I don't know if, do y'all bring inmates in or not, Judge?
Yes, we do, but I don't see him today.
Okay. I have a ICS video conference scheduled with him this afternoon. And my suspicion is that if the felony gets resolved, we'll get everything resolved on the misdemeanor end, Judge.
Right. Okay, so are you the attorney on the felony also, Mr. Mamori?
Yes, Your Honor.
You are?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, yes.
So I'm going to reset this to May 18.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time. Thank you, Judge. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, so Edmund Karam.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here for Joseph Costello, case number 669-754, and I believe he is present.
All right, thank you. And what would you like to do on this, Mr. Karam?
I'd like to confer.
All right, I'll mark you conferring, sir. You'll get a breakout room, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
And the next person is John Reitmeyer.
Hi, good morning, Judge. My client is present. I see him there, and I was hoping I could confer with the state and CLO.
Okay, what is his name?
Gilbert Salgado.
Is that Salgado?
Yes, ma'am. Page 1 looks like he's in 1, 2, 3, 4 down.
Okay, so that is cause number
610-528.
610538. Thank you. I'll mark him present. And what would you like to do, Mr. Reitmeyer?
I'd like to confer, please.
I'll mark you conferring. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
The next person is Cesar Serna.
Good morning, Judge.
Morning.
Judge, Jose Manuel Vasquez is my client, and it's case number 677-747 on page 6.
All right. And Mr. Vasquez is here?
He is present, Your Honor.
Thank you. Would you like to confer, Mr. Serna?
I would like to confer, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
All right. Isidro Montoya.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here on Austin Slack, Your Honor. Case number 670-729 on page 5.
Okay. And is he here?
Yes, Judge, he is logged on.
Okay, great. Thank you.
And,
What we,
and Judge,
what
we have an offer, Judge. We'd like to set this for a plea.
okay. Did you get the plea paperwork already?
I got one part, Judge. My client hasn't gotten his, but I sent your coordinator his email, his new email. So hopefully we'll get that soon.
Oh, okay. Well, okay. Ms. Castillo stays really busy. She's working fast and furious behind the scenes.
Of course.
So can I ask you to send that to the ADA?
Yes,
that
Judge.
we can get you the paperwork, and we can maybe do that this afternoon.
Okay, Judge. Well, Judge, my client's not able to get, doesn't have a computer. His phone doesn't accept the plea. So his stepfather has a computer. So I can get a short reset so we
Sure.
can get that resolved.
Okay. How about, I'm going to give you the next reset I have available. That'll be April 28th, but that should not keep you from getting your plea done. Whenever you have that paperwork ready, any day, Monday through Thursday at 1:30, we'll be glad to help you out.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay?
May we
Thank
be
you,
excused?
Mr. Montoya. Good to see you. Take care.
Thank you.
All right. The next person I'm going to call is Cole Nettles.
Hi, how are you doing this morning, Judge?
Good. How are you today?
I'm doing good. I've just got one case on your docket this morning. Client's name, I believe it was on page 5 of your docket. Client's name is Juan Hubaran. It's cause number 672847. Juan is on Zoom right now, and I just need to confer with the state on this case.
I'll mark you conferring, sir. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let me see who's next. Victoria Cruz.
Oh, sorry. Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning. How are you doing?
I'm chugging along. Thank you for asking. I've got Connie Elisa.
Repeat that, please.
Connie Elizarde. She is on Zoom.
What is her name? What is her name again?
Connie Elizarde.
Okay, great. Okay, and I see her name. And what did you want to do today on that?
I would like to confer, please.
Okay, you got it. You'll get a breakout room. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Javier Garcia? Oh, I'm sorry. Elizabeth Settle? I think I skipped you.
Good morning, Judge. I have Jennifer Soriano. I'm sorry, I'm not sure what page she's on.
That's okay.
Do you need her case number?
If you have it, that would be
Yes.
great.
Okay, it is 660047.
Okay.
And Judge, I've had no contact with her. The number that I got on her, it was not in service this entire time, still isn't. I also got an email and I've emailed that and gotten no response. And I emailed her the link for today. So if she is by chance on the Zoom, that'd be great, but otherwise I've had no contact with her.
So Jennifer Soriano, are you here? Will you please say something so I can mark you present? Elizabeth Soriano. Okay. It's going to be
Jennifer, Judge.
Jennifer?
Jennifer
yeah.
Soriano. Yeah.
Jennifer Soriano. Okay, she's not going to answer if I give the wrong name, right? So Jennifer Soriano. Okay. It's going to be a bond forfeiture. Okay.
Okay.
So
Thank you, Judge.
Do you have anything?
I had one other one, Judge, but that was Matthew Cuellar, and it was pled out this morning in jail court.
Oh, okay. All right. Then that's.
May I be excused?
Have a great day. Thank you.
Thanks, you too.
All right. So Javier Garcia.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning.
I'm here for Miss Mary Grace Ramos. The cause number is 663-274. And Shannon Locke's the attorney of record, Your Honor. I'm his associate attorney.
Okay. And Mary Grace Ramos, are you here?
Yes, she's present, Your Honor.
Okay. What would you like to do,
Yes,
Mr.
I'm here.
Your
Thank
Honor, I haven't had a chance to confer the offer that we received with the client. I would like to ask a reset, but I also would like to confer with the state.
All right. Why don't you confer with your client right now, and then you'll be in line to confer with the state also.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you. There was someone in the courtroom. Who is that? Mr. Martinez? Raymond Martinez?
Yes,
Is
Judge. He was in here on the same case that Victoria Cruz
Okay.
announced about.
Okay. All right. Thank you. So, Mr. Maine, did you have a chance to confer, sir?
Yes, Your Honor, we did. We'd like to reset if we could. The week of April 12th, perhaps Monday or Wednesday, the week of April 12th. April 12th.
Actually, the earliest I have is April 28th, but
that's acceptable to Your Honor.
okay, great. Okay, so you and your client are excused, and that was Mr. Martinez, and he can log off at this time. Thank you very much, Mr. Maine. Did you have anything else?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day. Okay, let me see. Stephen Martinez can log off, sir. Bill Simmons.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How are you
I have
today?
Yaziel Hernandez. He's on page 3, Judge. His case number is 647725. He still has a felony pending. It's set for the 28th of this month, Judge, so we would request a reset to see if we can address this matter within the confines of the felony matter, Judge.
All right. Are you the attorney on the felony, Mr. Simmons?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're not the attorney on the felony?
I am, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm going to reset that longer for May 18.
Okay, Judge. May we be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. And Mr. Hernandez can log off too. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, let me see who I missed. Kelly Piddle.
Good morning, Judge. I have three cases. Page 2, Anna Martinez, 642095.
All right. Is Miss Martinez here? Hannah Martinez, I see her.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Okay, and your next one?
Jeremiah Roblin, 663068 on page 4.
Mr. Robolin, are you here, sir? Yes. Okay.
And the
Martin,
last one is Chad Whiteford, also on page 4, 667353.
and what was his name again?
Chad Whiteford.
Ed Whiteford. Okay, I see Mr. Whiteford. Okay, I've marked them all present. What would you like to do, Mr. Piddle?
Judge, if I could confer on Hannah Martinez and Chad Whiteford, we're still waiting blood discovery. I want to check the status of that. And then on Jeremiah Roblin, if I could have a reset. We have the necessary documents to apply for PTD, so we're going to get it in the application.
So I'm going to give you a reset for April 28 on Mr. Robolin. Okay, and you wanted to confer on the other two. So do you want me to excuse all three of your clients, or do you want to wait for your announcement?
If you could, Judge, that'd be great, please.
Okay, so Ms. Hannah Martinez, Mr. Chad Whiteford, and Jeremiah Robolin, you all may all log off at this time. Stay in touch with your lawyer, okay? Have a wonderful day. Thank you. All right, so you'll be getting your breakout room any second, Mr. Piddle, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Okay. All right, Juan Ahu, would you please unmute yourself, sir? Good morning. Could you tell me who your lawyer is?
It was Vanessa Garcia, but I think someone else showed up.
Oh, okay. Would I have been Mr. Cole Nettles? Maybe,
Yes, Judge.
let me see if that's the same cause number.
672847.
72847, yeah. That's the same person, right? Okay, so your attorney is conferring, sir. If you don't mind waiting, you'll be done soon, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. I see someone that says PC, but I don't have a label. HCPAH something, PS. Can you please unmute yourself, sir? Unmute that little microphone icon. Should unmute you.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, sir. What is your attorney's name?
My Tony, I'm here with my brother-in-law. Tony just texted me. She's in another call room right now. She's gonna show up soon.
Okay, what is your name, sir?
It's a Jean Bugoma. That's my brother's name.
Ugoma. Okay, yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much.
And the attorney is Suzanne Kramer. Yes. Okay, we will wait for her, okay?
Absolutely, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. All right. Amy's iPhone, would you please unmute yourself?
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, how are you today?
Good. How about yourself?
Good. Oh, what is your name, ma'am?
Amy Vargas.
Amy Vargas. And who is your attorney?
I'm sorry.
Okay, yeah. Who is your attorney, ma'am?
Charles Bunk.
Okay, Charles Bunk. Okay, we will wait for Mr. Bunk, okay? And I'm marking you present.
Okay, thank you.
Jason Garcia,
Yes, Judge.
good morning.
Good morning.
Who is your attorney, sir?
Mr. Walter Serna.
Okay, and he is here conferring already. I probably did already write your name down. Let me see. No, that was actually not Walter. It was Cesar. Okay, Walter Cerna, okay.
Yes.
We'll wait for him, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. And Jose Vasquez, I know your attorney already made an announcement. Paula Acevedo. Okay, Lena Carriado, did you have a chance to confer? Okay.
Hello, Judge. Were you?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I conferred with the state judge and they gave us a revised offer. And I don't know if my client would be interested in that offer. I need time to discuss it with him. And I asked him to log in. He said he will. He's actually trying to log in right now.
Okay, he's not in the waiting room yet. I'd like to wait till he logs in because I want to be able to mark him present. I don't want to issue a bond forfeiture, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Amanda Strickland, you had a chance to confer? Oh, you're still muted. You're still muted, Ms. Strickland.
I'm sorry, Judge. Yes, Mr. King did dismiss the case.
Okay.
Okay, may I be excused?
What is King going to do with the case?
I'm sorry, he's dismissing the case.
He's dismissing it? Okay.
It's Lorraine Borrego, case number 641036.
Okay. So
Yes.
I'm going to reset it to April 28 as a backup, but as soon as I sign that order, it'll probably drop off the docket, okay?
Okay, thank you so much, Judge.
Thank you. You have a great day, and Ms. Borrego.
You too. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Cole Littles.
Hi. So for my case, it was Juan Baran, cause number 672847. There's still a few additional materials I'm going to provide to the district attorney's office. We can try to work this out. So I'm just asking for a 30-day reset at this time, Your Honor.
All right, so that'll be April 28. And you have another client here named Juan Ahu, AJU. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor. And I think maybe the confusion, we have a different name for him than what Bexar County has in, just because of the last names. But it is Juan Ahu Baran.
Oh, okay. All right. So I marked him present. Also, the second time he was here, I didn't know who his attorney was.
Okay, I gotcha. Thank you, Your Honor. I did have one question not related to today's docket. I have a case set for trial in your court on Monday, and I was just wondering, is that going to be jury selection on Monday, or would that be jury selection on Wednesday at 1:30?
Wednesday at 1:30.
Okay, great. Well, that's all for me. May me and Mr. Aju be excused.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. You all have a good day, Mr. Hugh. You can leave, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Nettles. Take care. Okay. David Cuellar, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Do you, who are you here on today?
I'm here on Brandy 5. That would be, I think on page 1.
Okay. Is Mr. Five here or Miss Five?
I haven't seen her today. I was hoping to talk to the state about possible.
All right. I'll give you a breakout room. I'm marking you conferring. But will you, in the meantime, call Brandy Five and ask that person to appear so I can mark them present, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right. Mr. Karam, did you have a chance to confer?
Yes, Your Honor. We're requesting a 30-day reset.
Okay. April 28. Okay.
Okay, may I be excused?
Yes, sir. And your client is free to leave also, can log off at this time. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Cuellar, did you get that breakout room yet? Oh, it's frozen. Okay. Okay, someone's in the courtroom. Is that Mr. Garza? Oh, we need to get the audio fixed. I cannot hear you. Deputy Butler?
You don't have to hold it. There you go.
Alberto Rodriguez, Your Honor.
Oh, good morning. How are you doing, sir?
I'm doing fine, kind of busy. I'm across the hall in County Court 5, but I ran over here.
Thank you. That was very nice. Who are you here on today?
I have Albert Hernandez Delgado.
Okay, I believe he is here. I think I saw his name.
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay, yeah, I'm marking him present. What would you like to do, Mr. Rodriguez?
Well, I'm still quite busy in 5, and I just finished a trial last night in County Court 13. So I'd like to maybe get a reset so I can.
Your Honor, permission to speak?
Okay, who is that?
It's Albert Hernandez Delgado. I'm an arts organizer here in San Antonio. I'm also a choreographer. I have things that I need to do. This is a misdemeanor, and I want to reset
Mr.
this.
Delgado, sir, you have a lawyer, and he is your advocate. Okay, don't worry about it. Now, if you think that you can't be here because you are too busy, you're going to have to be here. At least appear for a few minutes, and I'll excuse you if you have to get someplace. Okay, but let your lawyer speak for you. Okay, Mr. Rodriguez.
Yes, Your Honor.
You said, sir.
Yes, I would. And my client has expressed some type of displeasure. Says he called me a month ago for the Zoom invite. I tried to explain that the court does not give us these invites months ahead of time, and they're
Correct.
done just before court anyway. This is the reason I had not provided it to him. I would like a reset so that I could discuss this case with him and we can reach an agreement.
Yes, sir. I'm going to reset it to April 28. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor. May I be excused then?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Rodriguez.
Mr. Delgado, I will call him.
And you may log off at this time, and you know that you'll need to be back in court April 28 at 10 o'clock in the morning, sir. Okay. Thank you. Appreciate it. You take care, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, let me see, who else do I need to call on?
Yeah, go ahead and approach Mr. Valverde. Another counselor in the courtroom, Judge.
Okay, good morning. How are you doing?
Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here on your first page. It would be Ernesto Reyes.
Ernesto Reyes, okay.
Mr. Reyes is not present. He's in the hospital. He's provided me with pictures of his bracelet that states that he was just admitted on the 10th. It's a DWI. I would like to confer off. He has been reset a few times. He is a long haul COVID sufferer, and so I want to confer off docket to see if we can do something to resolve this case.
Okay, so for now, you just want to reset?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, April 28th.
And I have one more case on the docket. It's Robert Lattis. He's most of your second page. And he was picked up on a felony yesterday.
Okay. Do you think you're going to be the attorney on the felony?
I believe so, Your Honor. And so we have to look at discovery, and I have to talk to them, and then I can confer on this case.
Okay, so I'm going to reset that to May 18. And I will also give you the same date for Mr. Reyes. So they'll both be on May 18, okay?
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You have a wonderful day. Take care.
You too. Thank you.
Hello, Judge. May I approach?
Yeah, I'll be with you in a second, please. Okay, yes, ma'am.
I called my client, Your Honor. Earlier he said that he was trying to log in. Now he's not responding to my calls anymore, nor is he responding to my emails. So I don't know if he has any plans of showing up at all in this Zoom call. But I don't know, Your Honor.
Okay. Do you think, I see that you got an offer to convey to him. Do you think he's going to respond to you, or do I need to do a bond forfeiture to get him back into court? If your instinct is to ask for a reset, I'll give it to you. Okay?
I'll ask for a reset, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, let's do that. April 28th, okay? Now,
Okay, thank you.
if you get a hold of him and he accepts the offer, you want to get that plea paperwork done, you need to send that email to one of our ADAs so they can send you the plea paperwork and y'all can get it done, okay?
Okay, we'll do that, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Carriero. You have a good day.
You too, ma'am. Thank you.
Javier Garcia, did you have a chance to confer?
Judge, I conferred with the client. Thank you for giving me that opportunity. I'm just in line to speak with the state.
Okay, great. Let me see where you are. I don't want you to miss out. Well, actually, I know Aleda will take care of that. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, you didn't lose anything by conferring with your client. Okay, so just go back to that breakout room and you'll be talking to one of the ADAs soon, okay?
Okay. Is it?
Yeah, it's, you want me to remind you what it is?
Is that for me? Oh, I'm sorry.
Room 9. If you go back to room 9, okay? Thanks.
I see it, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Paula Acevedo.
Judge.
Good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
How are you doing?
I am doing good. I have
And the DA's office is going to dismiss that case. Also, when I received it, Mr. Harris and Mr. Biggins may be excused.
Judge, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Judge, I have a Alyssa Rangel on your docket. Can I get in line to confer with the prosecutor?
Mr. Altersdorf.
Is Ms. Rangel here?
She's in my office, Your Honor.
Okay, great. Mark her present. I'll mark you conferring, Mr. Acevedo. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You'll get a breakout room any moment.
Okay. I appreciate you, Judge.
Thank you. Okay, David, you had a chance to confer, sir?
Your Honor, I just wanted to let the court know that I actually haven't spoken to Ms. Fife, my client, since the last setting. She was here last setting, but I was hoping she would appear today, but I don't know if she will.
Okay.
I can still ask the state about an offer, but I don't know if they'll send that offer without her being here.
Well, and so you haven't had a chance to talk to the state yet, right?
No, I haven't spoken to the state.
Yeah. Well, if you want to talk to them, you can go ahead and wait. And so she didn't answer the phone?
No, I tried the numbers I have.
Okay. So have you represented her a long time?
I think it's a fairly old case because of the pandemic, and we have been in contact, but since the last setting, I haven't talked to her.
Yeah. Well, you tell me what you want to do. If you think, so if I do a bond forfeiture, it's going to take 7 days before the warrant actually goes out. But, you know, if it's that she's maybe sick or something, I mean, was she pretty good about staying in touch with you?
I thought she was, Your Honor. If I can have a week or something like that, maybe I should be able to bring her in.
Yeah, if you could just have her come in. But I'm I'm just going to reset it for April 28th and give you more time, see if, something temporary she's going through. I just don't want to issue warrants because there's miscommunications or something's happened that she has not been able to get back to you.
Yes, Your Honor.
But did you want to confer anyway?
I'd like to talk to the state if they're available.
Yes, they are. And I think Mr. King's the only one. I think Ms. Sanchez is still in jail court. I'm thinking that I want to have my jail cases on this docket, but we're still trying to decide that. Yeah, if you just watch for that prompt, you'll get a breakout room, okay?
We'll go back to 11. I think I was in 11.
Okay, great. Yes, good plan. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. King? Jeff King? Okay. Mr. Cerna, Cesar Cerna, you had a chance to confer?
I did, Your Honor.
Okay. And what would you like to do?
Judge, just maybe a short reset, but before I ask for that, my client is in the military and he's going to be doing some training with the judge's, of course, permission to leave, with his court's permission. He's going to be going to California from March 28th through May the 15th. And I sent a letter from his sergeant to Ms. Castillo already this morning. And so just for verification. So we'd like to have permission for that. In the meantime, Judge, we're going to be submitting a document to Mr. King for conditional dismissal. So hopefully it'll be taken care of before that date, but if it's not taken care of, I'd like to see if we can get permission from my client to.
Okay, yes, obviously, we're going to grant that permission.
Yeah.
But I will need something in writing because to have it documented, right?
Okay.
So-
Is the letter from his sergeant sufficient, Judge?
Yeah, why don't you just include that as an enclosure, a copy of it? And then I need to have it as part of my documents that I granted him permission to travel for military employment.
But Judge, do you want an actual motion to travel, for a permit to travel?
Yeah, it doesn't have to be, yeah,
Okay.
just something short that explains the basis for this permission and gives me an order also that I can grant it in writing.
Yeah, okay. And again, Judge, this case may be resolved before that date anyway, but
Right.
just in case.
Yeah, this is on the record. The court reporter is taking everything down.
Okay.
But it's not so easy to go back and look at the records because a lot
Surely.
of times I don't have them printed.
Okay,
So
Judge.
that was March 28th to what date?
May 15th.
May 15th, yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to reset it. How about if I reset this to May 18? That's pretty close, but, okay.
Perfect.
And
Judge.
obviously, it'll fall off if it gets dismissed,
Correct.
right?
Yes. Mhm.
Okay. Anything else, Mr. Cerna?
That's all, Judge.
All right. Well, Mr. Vasquez is welcome to log off at this time.
Okay.
You have a great day, Mr. Cerna. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Same to you, Judge.
All right. Mr. Reitmeyer, did you have a chance to confer?
Yes, ma'am, we sure did. We were gonna request a short reset. We're just trying to get some paperwork for the state. I think this can be disposed of once we get that paperwork sent in.
Okay. All right. So the earliest I have is April 28th. We're trying to keep our dockets manageable. So
That should be fine, Judge.
obviously, if things work out sooner than that, it'll be reflected on the docket. Okay.
Fair enough.
Judge, this was a deal that Chris made. If he did his classes, then we're gonna withdraw it and term it. But we just don't have proof that he's done his classes.
And which one is that, Mr. Richardson?
It's Gilbert Salgado.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So it's obviously going to drop off because he can provide that information, right?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
so it's just a backup so that we don't lose track of things that, don't go through. Okay, so Mr. Reitmeyer, April 28th, and Mr. Salgado, I think is maybe already not here. I don't see.
He was here.
Yeah, I marked him present, so that's not a problem.
Okay.
He might have dropped off. Sometimes Zoom does that. So, okay. Thank you, Mr. Reitmeyer. You have a great day.
Thank you, Judge. Same to you.
Okay.
Judge Saldaña or Aleda did an Anthony Nino check-in.
Anthony what?
Anthony Nino.
That was a reset. That was Mr. Piker's case to April 27th.
Okay. April 22nd?
7th.
7th. Okay.
Okay. So that was one of the, and so Mr. Salgado was also an MTR. Okay, I didn't even notice that. All right. Okay. So on Mr. Bunk's case, on Ms. Farkas, Ms. Farkas, can you unmute yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so your lawyer is busy in another court right now, but my notes show that you are ready to do a plea. Do you remember signing all the paperwork already?
No, we haven't.
Okay.
I haven't signed a plea deal.
Okay, all right. So then I was going to excuse you and ask you to come back at 1:30 because that's when we're doing our pleas, but apparently you still need to get that done. Okay, all right. But if you need for me to excuse you, I can do that if you need to take care of something else. Or if you prefer to wait for him, that's perfectly fine. It's really part of your due process, so. Okay.
Can I excuse myself, please?
Say that again?
May I excuse myself?
Yes, I will make a note of 10:52 is the time I'm releasing you, okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Here. Okay, Ms. Cruz, good morning. You had a chance to confer?
Yes, Your Honor. I have a new offer. State did their due diligence and tried to reach out to one of the complainants, and that made an effect on the offer. So if I can have 30 days, I think we should have a deal.
Okay, so I'm going to reset you to April 28th. That's the earliest I have.
Understood, Your Honor. That should work.
Okay, all right.
Yes,
thank you, Bruce. That was all
Thank
you had,
you.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Take care. Thank you. Ms. Elizardo, you can log off, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to take a 5-minute break to go get a glass of water. I'll be right back. Good morning, Mr. Garcia. Can you unmute
Good morning.
yourself? You had a
Yes.
chance to confer, sir?
Yes, Your Honor, I did. Your Honor, we do have a new offer that I would like to just take a very short reset, possibly 2 weeks if I can. But also just to see if we can get some video that may be available.
All right. I don't have a short reset. All I have is April 28th. But if you get things worked out, you can just call Aleda and see if you can come in earlier. Or if you have a plea, you can just come to one of our plea dockets Monday through Thursday, 1:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Garcia. Anything else at this time?
No, Your Honor, we just have Miss Ramos, and I'll call her after we log off. Thank you.
All right. What was her name again?
Mary Grace Thomas.
Ramos.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yes, Ms. Ramos, you can log off at this time.
Okay.
Then.
Thank you, Judge.
Be in
Bye-bye.
touch with your lawyer, okay? Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, thank you, Mr. Garcia. Have a good day. Suzanne Kramer, are you here?
Yes, Judge, I am. Let me get back into that screen. Okay. I've got two cases, Judge. The first one is on page 3. Jean-Marie Bugoma, case number 655804.
Okay.
And he's got pending felonies. Honestly, I don't think they're set. They might be. I haven't looked lately. I was the attorney on those cases, but I did withdraw off of those cases. But these misdemeanors will be taken, will be resolved when he resolves the felony.
So you need a, you're not the attorney on the felonies, are you?
Yeah, I was, but I withdrew, but I am still the attorney on the misdemeanors.
Okay. So
Michael Goins is the attorney now on the felony.
okay. So, all right. So I'm going to reset this to April 28th. Will that work for you?
I'm sure that's fine. I mean, it's just riding along with the felonies because it's all kind of part and parcel of all of the same offense states. So,
right. Okay. So, and I did mark Mr. Bugoma as being here earlier.
yes.
Did you have anything else besides that case?
I know that Mr. Bugoma is concerned about his GPS, but whatever GPS he may have out of your court, it's on a partial. He's having some problems. So I think that's something he needs to take up now with Mr. Goins in the felony.
Okay. All right. Okay. Well, if there's nothing further, I guess I'm going to let Mr. Bugoma log off now. Thank you for being here. And it's always good to see you, Ms. Kramer.
I've got one more case.
You have one more. Okay. That's what you said earlier. Okay.
It's now he's not here, Jesse Sanchez. He does have a pending felony. I have reached out to, he's on a PR bond. I've reached out to them. I don't have a working phone number. PR bond doesn't have a number. The letter I sent got no response, but there's no big surprise there. So, you know, I'd really hate to see him get a warrant when he's got a pending felony, and the felony isn't set yet because it's not indicted.
Oh, okay.
So.
But you don't have a good phone number for him, right?
I don't right now, and I reached out to pretrial and they don't have anything either. Eventually but they haven't filed a violation on him, I do not believe yet.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I'm going to issue a bond forfeiture, but you know, if he comes in within 7 days, let us know.
I will do so, Judge.
We'll withdraw it.
Okay, thank you so much. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am. You have a great day, Ms. Kramer. Thank you.
And I see Mr. Bugoma is still on the Zoom. There's always a little bit of a communication issue. Mr. Bugoma, y'all can leave. Y'all can zoom out. Because he speaks only Swahili, Judge, and his family speaks English, but not super fluently. So there's always a bit of a communication issue.
Delay. Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Judge.
Take care. Mr. Vagoma, did you have a question?
Yes, ma'am. We have a question. The problem is here because when we speak, they say that he need a translator for Swahili. That's why the court take too long to decide his case. So
Sure.
I'm a member with the family and I speak professional English. I was translator with Catholic Charities. So, ma'am, I was here when you helping people. Please help this guy. That way he can be able to. Yes, very difficult for translators. So I'm gonna help him up. You can offer him even a probation. It's okay because he's been through a lot.
Sure.
And he came from Congo. Yeah.
I'm not his attorney, sir. I'm not his attorney. You can call his attorney and say the same thing to him. But the
Yes. What is the
problem is
number?
not, what, sir, may I finish speaking?
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
The problem is not with this court. He has some other offenses that are holding him in court. But this case is not going to get resolved until those other ones get resolved, okay? So
Yes, ma'am.
we have no control over those other cases. So if you have any questions, Mr. Vagoma needs to talk to Ms. Kramer. She's a great attorney, and she will give you any information that you need, okay?
Yes, ma'am. We don't have that only information. A phone number we can call him. We don't have it.
You don't have her phone number? Okay.
No,
I'm
ma'am.
going to ask you to join a breakout room.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
Castillo will give you Ms. Kramer's phone number, okay?
Appreciate it so much, ma'am.
Okay, so you're going to get on your screen a prompt that says join breakout room, whatever number that is, and click on that and you will be talking to Ms. Castillo, okay?
Okay, I'm joining the break room. Okay.
Yes, that's the one. Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Piddle. You had a moment to confer?
I did, Judge. On Hannah Martinez, page 2, 642-095.
Yes.
The state is still waiting on the blood discovery.
Oh, okay.
And then I have one more. I'm coming back on April 28th on another case. If we could do that date as well, that would work for me if that's okay with the court.
Let's do that. Let's put them both on the same day.
Okay.
And then you have Mr. Whiteford.
Yes, I had e-filed a blood discovery motion order. I don't believe, from what I can see, as well as Mr. King, it hasn't been signed by the court. So I've sent it to Aleda and also CC'd the prosecutors, and hopefully that can get to your desk sometime this week to get signed, and then we can get those records.
I'll take a break in a moment. I have the cause number is 667353. I will look for it and see if I can find it and sign it. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Judge. And if we could just get the same date on that, I don't anticipate they'll probably be back by then, but just to track it, I guess.
Yeah, April 28th for all three.
Wonderful. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Mr. Piddle. You have a great day. I think your clients are already gone. We dismissed them earlier. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Or excuse them.
Thank you.
Take care. Thanks.
You too. Bye-bye.
Deputy Butler. Deputy Butler, are you there?
Yes, Judge.
You want to call out some people that were supposed to be here that did not show up? For instance, there's cause number 524221, Amanda Olivares. I don't think anybody showed up for her, did they?
No, doesn't say she has an attorney on the docket.
Right. So will you call out her name? And let's see who else. I also have some bond forfeitures here, but we'll call out the name in the hallway, see if somehow they were missed. And that's Jennifer Soriano, 660047. And
Okay.
Your Honor, 660047 is a no file.
Okay, great. Then we're not gonna worry about it. She's had no contact with the person. Okay. No file. Great. Thank you, Aleda. Okay. Let's see, who else was it? Jesse Sanchez. And I didn't get the cause number on that. Let's see what that is. Suzanne Kramer.
That case number on Jesse Sanchez is 675-012, page 5.
Okay. Did you get that, Deputy Butler?
I did.
I think those are the only ones that I have.
And did you get the, I wasn't here when you maybe called the 676-567, Eduardo Herrera Sanchez?
I do not think that I don't remember calling
That's on
him.
page 5, mail notice.
Page 5. Yeah, I did. Who's his lawyer?
Request
Doesn't
denied.
have a lawyer. That was a denied request.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, I didn't call him, and obviously he didn't hear. He's not here. So yeah, please go ahead and call that one.
Okay,
And that
so I
was 67667.
okay, 4 total then?
3.
2.
Okay, Brandy Fife, you gave him extra time to find her. Okay.
3.
All right, I will call these three. Be right back.
Judge, this is Baltazar Cerna.
Yes,
Calling
sir.
on Jason Garcia. Sorry, I just got off the Zoom. So, Judge, I wanted to see if we could get 30 days. I just got his felony. He had a felony pending. I just got it dismissed. So now I want to start working on the misdemeanor with
Okay.
prosecutor.
All right, so we'll come back April 28 on that.
April 28th. Okay, got it, Judge.
Yes, and so he is here still, Mr. Garcia.
Yeah, he's there.
I've reset that.
Yes, I'm here.
So you can log off at this time. Just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay?
Thank
Okay,
you,
thank
Judge.
you.
May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Sir. Have a
Bye-bye.
good. Bye-bye.
You too. Bye-bye.
Mr. Acevedo, yes, sir. Oh, you're muted, still muted.
Judge, this technology is going to kill me.
I know, hey, and I feel you.
And I'm on my phone right now. I'm normally on my computer, but I was doing multiple Zooms. So the phone works differently. So I'm kind of scrambling.
Yeah. I
Judge, can I get a 30-day setting? Today was our first setting.
Yeah. That'll be April 28th.
April 29th?
April 28.
428. Okay,
Correct.
Judge, may we be excused? My client's here with me. Do you need to see her?
No, that's okay. I already marked her present.
Okay,
So,
thank you, Judge.
a wonderful day, Mr. Acevedo.
You two have a good weekend if I don't see you again.
Thank you, you too.
No answer on any of the call outs, Judge.
Okay, and no answer on anybody, huh?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So, I don't know why I'm thinking Amy Vargas is a plea for today. Is that right, Aleda? On Charles Monk's case?
Yes, she is, Judge. That's Natasha. Hi.
Oh, okay.
I think the client indicated that she hadn't gotten the paperwork.
She did indicate that. She said she hadn't filled out anything yet. So, and we're going to have to, we'll just reset that. Yes, Mr. King?
I was just wondering, could I have a case number on that so I can look up and see if it's in my inbox?
Absolutely. Do you have that available, Aleda? It takes me a while to find it on the.
642-782.
642-782.
All right,
Yeah.
thank you.
The audio cuts out some of the speech, and so I'm repeating the number.
No, I don't have it in mind. Do you know the defense attorney, is she still here?
Charles Bunk.
Oh, is Charles Monk here? No.
He's in trial on the 399.
Oh, okay.
Oh, he wouldn't be able to be here for a plea anyway, right?
No, unfortunately not, Judge.
No. Okay, we'll just reset that to April 28th.
Okay.
And I mean, I keep saying to everyone, if you have the plea paperwork done, you can come in any day, Monday through Thursday at 1:30. So you can get it done. Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Okay, maybe be excused.
Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And I hope he appreciates the fact that I'm allowing you to announce for him. I don't like to do that on Zoom because I don't like to treat people differently, but obviously.
I completely understand. I apologize for that. I will let him know.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Well, Your Honor, it looks like we have 3 lawyers that are probably very busy, and I did the re-invite.
Okay, and who are they?
On the first page would be Derek Emmons.
Okay,
On the third page, it would be Patrick Montgomery. And on the fourth page would be Romualdo Horta.
okay. Okay, well, it's 11:20, so 11:21. I guess we'll wait. We have no choice, but I think I will take us off of YouTube for now.